Even at this school, you are like a lot of students from IPRC will graduate from this school and go into the world and get confused. They don't know what to do. So you can say, I want to start a program. Let's say you call it Think Tank 35, where you say, every year I'm going to go into Kigali and look for people who have achieved something and connect them for one-on-one mentorship with a student, graduating student from IPRC. So we can go to Kigali and look for an engineer and connect them with an engineer here to walk a chain of mentorship. We can go to Kigali and look for a musician and connect them with a musician here so that they continue to mentor each other. Already you are preventing a problem of lacking opportunities before it even happens. That's a problem. How many projects have you given you now? So many. Brothers and sisters, these are the 4 ways that you can use to come up with your vision. Solve a problem, prevent the problem from happening, identify a gap, or think of the future. These are the 4 ways a graduate should leave university knowing, and with one particular thing. The day you graduate, actually ask yourself, which problem do I want to solve? You know why that is important? This is very important because when you leave school, you know the opportunities to look for. So there's no practice. So leave this university with something tangible. Don't leave on your day of graduation. Don't celebrate your certificate more than you celebrate your problem that you're solving. On Facebook, don't go and say, Mama, we made it. Your daughter is we made it. Why? You're still suffering. We are not making it. IPRC all together. And if you're going to be doing masters, remember, you need to be solving a particular problem for you to get funding, because funding is not going to be given to people who are not solving community challenges. That's why, for example, when I went to African Leadership University, there are people who accepted at African Leadership University, but they were not given funding. But when I applied to go to African Leadership University, they accepted me and they gave me a fully funded Mandela Scholarship, where they gave me a laptop, where they gave me a stipend, where they paid my house, where they paid my transport, where they paid my school fees. Why? Because they were like, if we can invest in one challenge, we are investing in 10,000 young people who are part of the Youth Leadership Initiative. So I am a person they need to bless, because I'm a blessing to other people and to the community I come from. But for you, if you only have a certificate is beneficial to you, but this vision is beneficial to the community.
My name is Meli. I am from Chikomo. My father died when I was this, and you know my mother suffered, and she sent me to school. There are many orphans in this world. There are many people who have suffered in this world. Some of the presidents are orphans also. But what makes you a better orphan than others is not to complain about what you suffered for. It is to show us how your suffering has made you think differently and made you resistant and made you more focused.
But the problem of you guys is, you will be here saying, you know, when I finish, we even debate which course is better than the other. When I finish, I'm going, no, that is not what is important. Out there, it's hard, guys. It's hot, it's serious. It's not your class. When you come here and debate,
I cannot employ you because you come from Chikomo. How many people come from Chikomo?
many people.
I cannot employ you because you're a girl. How many girls are in this country? In fact, in this country, girls are more than boys. What is that?
When you come to class to start electrical engineering, you are coming to see how electrical engineering can solve the problem. When you hear that there is a lecture that is happening in school, you are not attending every lecture. You are looking for a lecture that can aid your knowledge to solve that problem. When you are looking for friends, you are not just taking anybody because we come from the same district. Oh yeah, it's not about the district, it's about solving the problem. You are looking for partners that can help you to solve that particular problem. When I had this problem, I wanted to solve it. That's how we connected and said we get the African Leadership University, because our hearts were burning for the same thing. Today, the friends that you have, are they friends as partners to help you solve that problem, or they are just with you because you are so useless to be used any time?
I want you to say, what is my mission? Think about this. Don't say, just think. What problem